Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer presented by ItaliancitizenshipAssistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. Of course, we're back at it again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian, and I am Rafael Di Furia. And this week we are wanting to talk a little bit about a recent update from the Italian government where they mentioned the intention to open up the Italian healthcare system to Italian citizens residing abroad. Some of you may have seen an Instagram reel that was recently published where I mentioned this, but in this episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer, I wanted to ask Marco to tell us a little bit more about what's happening in Italy and what things may be looking like.
In the month of June of 2026, the Italian government introduced a new law which confirmed that the Italian citizens that are residing outside of the European Union can now register with the Italian healthcare system and obtain an Italian health card. And before we go any further, let's clarify that there will be a fee for the registration, an annual fee, which seems to be 2,000 euros per year for now. Of course, we will be waiting for further guidelines from the Italian government, which will indicate all of the details to be able to register with the Italian healthcare system. And it's also worthwhile clarifying that until now, it was not possible for an Italian citizen residing outside of the European Union to register with the Italian healthcare system. It was only possible to receive emergency treatments while in Italy, but now the situation has changed completely. So it's possible for a reasonable fee, especially compared to the cost of healthcare in some foreign countries, for an Italian, even a dual citizen, of course, who is residing outside of Italy and outside of the EU to obtain a registration to register with the national healthcare system in Italy, which means that you can be assigned a general practitioner and see special doctors and also purchase medicines at a lower cost compared to those who are not registered with the Italian healthcare system. So this was a major update and a major benefit that is now being introduced by the Italian government for Italians residing abroad.
Well, Marco, thank you so much for this update and letting us know about what is happening in Italy. Of course, while this update is certain and that this will be happening, of course, there is yet to be a published framework, and this has not been all finalized in the sense of how it's going to work, but it is finalized that this is something that will be happening. So for the latest updates, be sure that you're subscribed not only to this YouTube channel, but also that you follow Italian Citizenship Assistance online on Facebook as well as Instagram for more information when it becomes available, and also for more information on life in Italy, living in Italy, Italian citizenship, real estate, and more. Be sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel as well as the audio-only podcast. But of course, if you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, that means that you're also subscribed to episodes of not just the Ask the Italian Lawyer, but also the Italian Citizenship podcast and the Move to Italy podcast. And for more about life abroad and living abroad from the perspective of a dual citizen expat, be sure to come over to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Rafael Di Furia. But again, though, we have been here for another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer presented by ItaliancitizenshipAssistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. And we have been here with Italian attorney Marco Permunian. I'm Rafael Di Furia. Stay safe and healthy out there, and we will see you all next time. Thank you.
Thank you.